Let's begin drawing the apparatus for collecting gas. We need a ruler, so start by using a ruler. Before beginning this diagram, you should first draw a straight horizontal line because this line will represent the table on which we will place the conical flask and the beaker. Now, let's draw a large jar-like structure. Start by drawing two vertical lines and connect them at the top with a horizontal line. This will represent the beehive shelf. Next, join the lines to complete the shape. On top of this beehive shelf, we are going to draw the gas jar. It is an upside-down jar, so draw two long vertical lines on both sides. Use double lines to make it more prominent, and close the top with two double lines to give it the appearance of a jar. Now, draw a horizontal line inside the jar to indicate the level of the liquid or water inside. Next, let's draw a conical flask. Start with a conical shape for the body, then add a straight vertical neck and close it off with two horizontal lines. Now, draw two tubes. One is the burette, and the other is a glass tube that will be inserted into the beehive shelf. After the reaction, the gas will pass through this tube, reach the beehive shelf, and get collected in the gas jar. For the burette, draw a small rectangular shape with a knob. Again, use two parallel lines connected together to form the burette. Now, inside the conical flask, draw a horizontal line to indicate the water level and add a few black dots to represent the reaction mixture. If you wish, you can color the diagram, but this step is optional. You can also fast forward to the 3-minute, 46-second mark if you prefer to skip the coloring process. Let's start coloring the apparatus for the entire experiment. I'm using a sky blue color pencil to represent the liquid, the water inside the beaker, the gas jar, and the large glass trough. To indicate the gas collected at the top of the gas jar, I'm using a gray color. Make sure to apply it on both sides, as the gas travels from the conical flask through the tube after the chemical reaction takes place. You should also add gray shading to the top part of the conical flask, where the gas is released. I'm using a black pen to draw bubbles, representing the gas entering the gas jar. For the stopcock on the conical flask, as well as the burette stopcock and knob, I'm using yellow and orange color pencils to make them stand out. In this drawing, I have indicated that the gas is being collected. To show this, draw small round bubbles passing through the liquid and rising to the top of the gas jar. Also, lightly shade the gas at the top of the jar to indicate its presence. Next, let's label the parts. Draw straight lines vertically and horizontally from each component, ending with small arrowheads. Label them as follows: 1. Gas collected, pointing to the gas at the top of the jar. 2. Gas jar. 3. Beehive shelf. 4. Reaction mixture, inside the conical flask. 5. Trough of water. Finally, add a heading at either the top or bottom of the diagram: apparatus for collecting gas. We have now completed the drawing. I hope this video is helpful for your studies and makes it easier for you to draw this apparatus. See you soon in the next drawing session. Bye for now.